Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert a hyperlink inside the text on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a hyperlink in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, I just going to copy a link from YouTube. So just clicking on it, clicking on the share option and just copy the link. So now how we just going to insert the link inside the text. For an example, you just click on this section first, then click change the home section to the insert option. Now you just scroll down and you can find an option called link, click on this link. And you will see an option called insert link, click on this. So if you don't type any text on the Excel, doesn't matter. Here you can just type text to display. For an example, here for an example, just going to type as copy or paste or like copy paste. Okay, now I just going to enter the URL here and just click on the insert option. You can find the cell which I just selected has inserted the copy paste with a URL. You can see open the URL which you open it. If you just type anything like good, okay, so let's be type as good, then I just need to insert the link here. Just same process, click on the insert option, just go to the link, click on the insert link and just paste the link and click on the insert option. Now you can see it's inserted. This is how you just insert a hyperlink on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable Excel content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.